Okay, guys, hello. This is what you call income restricted in North Carolina and Charlotte. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you these beautiful luxury apartments. And they have different things, income based, income restricted. If you want to know a little more about that, guess what? You may not think you qualify, but actually you may qualify. This is wonderful for everyone. So here, I'm going to turn around, and the state, they are really doing a lot with their community, with their funds, with their tax abatements. They're doing great. So I'm going to turn around here. I'm going to show you this right now, okay?
Another nice size closet, huge bath. The tub is okay with the shower in the. Okay, so I see this grayish color thing. Oh, yeah.
If you need any more information, please reach out, give me a call. My name is Lucretia Dillard Moore. I'm a realtor right here in North Carolina. I'm also a realtor in Ohio. And guess what? If you need notary, I got you. What about CPR instruction? Okay, guys, we are out here at the residence at Cedar Creek. These right here are what you call income restricted, income based. There is a difference. And you may think, hey, do I qualify for something like this? You absolutely can. They have what's called a sliding scale, 30, 60, 80%. And everyone goes on a waiting list, but just because you are on a waiting list, that does not mean that you're not going to get in 2 weeks, 2 months, or 6 months. These are brand new, and if you have any questions, give me a call. All right, have a good one. Okay, guys, we are at the beautiful Hollis Court Apartments. They're really townhomes. Beautiful soaking tub, walking right out into your patio on both sides from the living and the dining room. These are not income restricted, income based, but they are very affordable. Beautiful pool. This unit that we're looking at is a 2-bed, 2-bath, and it actually walks right out into the pool. So and the courtyard is right behind us. Have a playground. Beautiful. They do have different units available, different sizes. They have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. Right now, the 3 bedrooms, they are on a waiting list. But if you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, give your girl a call. I would love to help you. These are really nice and affordable. So yes, my name is Lucretia Dillard Moore with Cree's Signature Moves right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm a realtor here. I'm a realtor in Ohio. I'm a notary here. Notary in Ohio. So yes, give me a call. Let me help you.
Okay, guys, look at the large soaking tub. This is the master bedroom. Wow. That's all I have to say. Right out here to your own patio, outlooking the pool. Now we're going to come around. Yeah, the huge soaking tub. What you call it? Your living area. Dining. I'm gonna come around there and get that kitchen, guys. This is a true 2-bedroom home. Walk-in closet, and this is a true walk-in closet.
For you, your set will be all black. So you'll have the black set.
Oh, that's
the
pretty.
rest of the apartments are black. They have like
So you look. What's those? The one? There are 2. So you have 2 and 1.
Your 2 bedrooms the same way I was listening. The only thing different in 1 bedroom, just take this room here, just knock it off. So just take this.
So your living room bigger.